Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Simon Murad and welcome to my video. Today's video is a tutorial video and it's about a photography app called manual camera. So we're starting from the top left side. It's grid. There are various type of grids you can as you can see, and then you can have the flash options, flash auto, flash on, torch mode shows the light on always, and then flash off. Next settings is about timer. You can select timer to create photo, and then next in below you can zoom by pressing it up and down, and then next the option from left side from below, it's kind of preset. You can set various preset as like this, you can see. And then the next tab is for white balance. You can move around left to right to set your perfect white balance like this. The next tab is about the focus mode. You can tap focus to your subject to what to focus like this. Then there is a focus lock mode. It will lock the focus, and then it's an infinity focus. That means it's for the landscapes. And this is manual focus. As you can see, the distance you're creating, it's a kind of creating a macro effect by manual focusing. So yes, so autofocus is good. Then the next tab is the ISO. You can select ISO like this, and there is also shutter speed over there, so you can just slide to set your shutter speed. And on the right side you can see there are HDR mode. There are also various mode to create time lapse also, like this, by setting the repeat and the interval. And then on the settings tab, first there is image quality, so you can select your image quality. I selected it to 100%. Then image format, so you can select image format to anything you want. There is anti-shake, you can also turn it on. Review taken photo, you can also take them off. Enable location, add captions or stamps. You can add your own captions. There is videos, you can also on that on. There's the FPS settings, you can shoot 120 frames also. You can set the video duration also. I selected it to unlimited. And then next it's a touch operation to capture. There are many ways to capture. It's a kind of personal preference. Face detection is on. Shutter sound is also on to create the noise, the shutter sound. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you to understand this app. Thank you.